Hey guys, it is Lauren here from Chasing the Tichel. Anyway, today I am going to be doing a novel wrap with my Uber Poof shaper today. I don't know what to really call it, but it's pretty much a waffle weave scarf with an extra long t-shirt scarf, so let's get on with this. So anyway, I got this waffle weave scarf from Rapunzel during the Black Friday sales. Because I spent more than $150 US on the Black Friday sale, I got this for free with a Lakeshore Bliss, which was sort of that colour. So yeah, I just love it, and I also do like wearing this wrap with this scarf with the Lakeshore Bliss. But today I'm just going to show you guys something a little bit more easier, a little bit more simple. And yeah, anyway, first and foremost, obviously you can see it's a dual tone one. So yeah, just be aware of that. What we're going to do is use the lighter blue today over the darker blue, because our extra long t-shirt scarf we've got today is actually in a darker blue. The extra long t-shirt scarf is actually in blue denim if you want to get it from Rapunzel. They're 19 US. They are probably one of my favourite all-time scarves to wear, mainly because of the ease of using them. I like the favourite t-shirt scarves, but they're just not long enough for me. Anyway, today what shaper am I wearing? Obviously my Uber Poof, so Uber Poof in Blonde. If you guys are new to my channel or you haven't seen any of my tutorials before, the reason why I actually wear a blonde one over despite having brown hair is because I just seem to notice wearing a black shaper with a white scarf is very see-through, is very noticeable. It's the same wearing a black underwear with a white t-shirt. It's just very noticeable, so I prefer to wear the closest to my skin colour, which is the blonde, and I just seem to notice it's not as obvious. So yeah, alright, let's get on with the wrap. So first and foremost, our base layer is actually going to be this one. Now the other thing is, as you guys can see, it is super wide. So this one is actually really super wide. So what we're going to do is just fold it in half. And then what we're going to do is have the lighter shade on top. That's the side, that's the shade we're wanting to go for. Now, as you guys can see, there's a two-tone there. I do actually like the two-tone bit, so that's what we're gonna aim for. Now, the other thing is, what we want also is uneven tails, because this one is actually quite long. We're gonna have a little bit of a tail hanging out, and as you guys have seen in earlier vlogs, I love having my tail out. I love having tails out, so yeah. Obviously wrap to where you want to have it. If you guys like to have your scarf a little bit lower, do so. I just prefer to have it up around my hairline. What we're going to do next is pop our extra long t-shirt scarf on. So what we're going to do with this one is have it as a sash. We're going to have this as a sash today. Alright, and again, it's uneven tails. Now you're going to see very shortly what I'm going to do. It's going to be a very much a cheat version. What I'm going to do now, you can leave the tail out, you can pop the tail up. Today we're just going to leave the tail out. Now what we're going to do next, pop our waffle weave scarf back on. Now you could go one half dark, one half light. That's completely up to you. Just for today, we're just going to do it a bit roughly. I'm just going to check and see what the fringy bits are. This scarf in particular is quite fringy, so you just want to make sure and check that you've got everything in. And then this, alright, with this end, what we're going to do is start twisting it around. Obviously we're going to only get to halfway with this, but I still think it will just kind of incorporate and tuck underneath. And that's it, guys. So yeah, that's it. So you know what, we're going to cheat a little bit and just grab my pin, and I think because I didn't actually think to do it. Now the other thing is, as I've just shown you, we've got that little bit there showing. That's not so much of an issue for me personally. I don't think it's too much of an issue. It's not that obvious. If like half of the scarf wasn't wrapped properly, then I would change it up. But for today, it'll look a lot more better. But anyway, let's grab a pin so we can just pop it in here for you guys. Just for you guys, I have all my utensils, if you want to call it. Everything that's kind of, you know, small and clippy like this, I prefer to actually just pop it in here. I prefer to actually pop them in here, just so they don't get lost. So just in an old container, just so everything's there, like infinity claspers in here, headbands, everything. I just like to do it like that. So this clip, this pin came with the with this exclusive kit that came with Rapunzel when I got the waffle weave and the Lakeshore Bliss that came with it. Kind of has this whole Elsa from Frozen look with it. It actually looks really pretty when it's done with both, so. So there we go, guys. Today it's just a little bit loose, it's just hanging there. But you know, for today, for the wrap today, I think, yeah, good job done. So yeah, that's pretty easy. I've just wrapped, yeah, so as you guys can see, I'll just turn around for you guys. Obviously, as I mentioned before, don't worry so much about here. It's only for today, so yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's I really love this blue waffle weave scarf. It's just so lovely. And obviously I love my extra long t-shirt scarves because they're just so versatile with everything. So yeah. Alright guys, if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, comment below. If you guys don't already know, I've also got a Facebook page and an Instagram page called so-called Chasing the Tickle, and on there I actually have a lot of content and my daily wraps for the day, so have a check it out there. I also do a lot of haul photos and also a lot of sneers photos as well, so any kind of new outfits I've bought I will show for you guys as well. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye!